If you snore or your partner snore, there is a treatment for it. One, we find the root cause of your snoring. Usually it's caused by obstruction. If the soft palate in the back of your throat extended far back, when the air flows through your nose, it makes the soft palate vibrate and makes it snoring. It's a very simple procedure. Again, it depends on what you need. We can use laser treatment to make the soft palate harder and create collagen formation so it doesn't vibrate, it doesn't create sound. If the obstruction gets worse by the tongue position, we use appliances such as this. It's called mandibular advancement. When the jaw comes forward in sleep, the tongue comes forwards, so airway opens up so it doesn't create snoring. For more information, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.